Today, we'll explore this truck designed as an extension of your home. Perfect for full-time living on the road and long-distance journeys. Inspired by European interiors, the truck comfortably accommodates 4 people with a 12V electric lift bed system and a versatile U-shaped lounge that converts into an extra bed. It's an ideal choice for individuals over 6 feet tall looking for added comfort. Inside, the truck is equipped with a fully functional kitchen featuring a deep sink, stove, refrigerator, and a spacious wet bath with an on-demand hot water shower. The price of this truck is $165,500 USD. Next, the MCO Giant XL is a next-generation mobile event structure designed for premium hospitality services and brand experiences. Transformable from a single 45 FT container into a 3-story venue spanning up to 180 meters, it offers spacious accommodation for up to 170 people. Notably, the Giant XL features a rooftop terrace capable of hosting up to 35 people, equipped with LED lighting, climate control, and advanced technological features. This is an ideal solution for sports events, corporate marketing, and other special occasions. Meet IO Camper, a unique invention by Hungarian mechanical engineer Thomas Latko, capable of transforming any van into a mobile home in just minutes. Compact at 2.5 x 1.3 x 1.7 meters when folded, this camper box not only easily fits onto various van models, but also allows users to choose from multiple designs such as modern, classic, rural, and summer themed. What's special about IO Camper is its expandability to accommodate up to 4 people, serving as a guest house, a fishing bungalow, or a standalone apartment. This breakthrough idea deserves recognition from everyone in the caravan industry. Continental, a technology company, has innovated and built a compact mobile home named Continental Coney Home, an icon of modern, creative, and flexible living, working, and entertainment environments. Coney Home is fully equipped with Continental's exclusive materials both inside and out, showcasing the diversity of products the company offers. Despite its compact size, this mobile home delivers high living standards, prioritizing functionality, comfort, and sustainability. Mounted on a trailer, it can move and adapt flexibly, allowing for location changes anytime. If you're intrigued by Continental Coney Home, subscribe to the channel and hit like to stay tuned for more beautiful homes. Bliss Mobile's luxury expedition models may be compact, but they are incredibly luxurious and perfect for adventures. With robust self-supporting container frames and sandwich panel walls, the 11-foot model offers a pop-up roof option and pairs well with the Unimog 4x4. Meanwhile, the 13-foot model, weighing 4,000 pounds dry, can mount on various chassis like Mercedes Unimog, Attigo, Iveco Daily or MAN TGM. Whether small or large, there are multiple floor plan options available. All models come equipped with underfloor heating, air conditioning, diesel air heater, boiler, 10 kilowatt battery pack, and up to 100 kilowatts of solar power. They also feature separate bathroom and toilet facilities, a fully equipped kitchen, and a comfortable rear bed. Absolutely fantastic. Complete your mobile home and elevate your living experience with modern smart devices. Richard Clarkson Studio's floating cloud lamp creates a magical levitating sensation in any space using magnetic force. Available in various colors and sizes, touchless controlled and energy efficient, this lamp is a unique and exciting centerpiece for any environment. Did you know that the Beaverlab Darwin M2 is a portable digital microscope with a 4.3-inch IPS screen and a 2.0 mmP CMOS sensor, allowing magnification from 100x to 1600x? Integrated LED light and rechargeable lithium battery enable micro detail observation anytime, anywhere. Compact, user-friendly and versatile, the Darwin M2 is an ideal tool for education, research and exploring the micro world. The Xiaomi Magic Camera, also known as the Mology Magic Camera, is a versatile compact device that allows vlogging, photography and functions as a security camera. With a 2.5K resolution and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, the camera delivers sharp and vibrant images. It also features infrared LED lights for night video recording and motion detection, Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control. Next up are Tiny TV 2 and Tiny TV Mini, the ultra-small TVs from Tiny Circuits, each no larger than a postage stamp. Tiny TV2 features a 1-inch IPS TFT screen and integrated speaker, while Tiny TV Mini comes with a 0.6-inch OLED screen and requires an external speaker through the USB-C port. Both models come with 8 GB of storage, USB-C and Wi-Fi connectivity for video playback from memory cards, phones or computers. They are a unique choice for desks, bedrooms or any small space. In front of your screen is Fluid Stance, a company specialising in balance boards and accessories for standing desks, aimed at enhancing work experience by incorporating movement into standing postures. Products like the Fluid Stance plane and curve balance boards provide flexibility and good support for health, while the Fluid Stance Move standing desk can adjust in height to offer ergonomic comfort during work. Mesmocoin Galactic is a unique fidget spinner by Mesmoglobe, designed to be compact and convenient for easy portability. Its standout feature is a specially designed core structure that creates a sparkling effect when spun, thanks to reflective materials and transparent plastic. With a size of just 3.5 centimeters, it's a fun and distinctive toy that helps reduce stress and enhance focus. Discover and experience it now. The Best Indoor Bed Tent is a perfect solution for creating a private and cozy space right on your bed. Made from soft and breathable polyester, this tent is easy to set up and dismantle, featuring 3 doors for convenient access and compact folding when not in use. Additionally, it's ideal for relaxing, reading, or providing privacy for children or overnight guests. From using current smart devices, the path to future vehicles is increasingly wide open. The Freightliner SuperTruck 2 is a technical marvel in the pickup truck industry, designed for optimal aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. It features a 13-litre engine with dual turbos and an intercooler system, paired with a 13-speed transmission and a 48-volt electrical system. Innovations include converting the rear axle from 6x4 to 6x2 and utilising mirrorless camera systems, enhancing transport efficiency. Developed by Daimler North America and the US Department of Energy, this represents a groundbreaking advancement in the industry. Walmart's advanced truck, called the Wave, represents a significant leap in environmentally friendly and energy-efficient transportation. Its advanced aerodynamic design reduces drag by 20% and improves fuel efficiency by 10%. Utilizing a hybrid system with a capstone turbine engine and electric battery, the vehicle can operate on multiple fuel types. With a carbon fibre structure and an optimised centre driver's seat for enhanced visibility, the Wave is lightweight and efficient. The truck also features a trailer made from carbon fibre, saving up to 4,000 pounds. More than a business, Next Future Transportation represents an idea, a future where transportation is smart. They represent an idea of a frictionless transportation system, with electric vehicles able to connect and decouple quickly and flexibly. Building on 5G technology, artificial intelligence and robotics, they build a versatile, integrated platform serving from transportation to logistics and personal mobility. Next, Future Transportation promises a future with no pollution, no accidents and no traffic congestion. Willey Bus with transparent LCD screens on its sides provides a unique platform for passengers. Thanks to integrated interior and exterior surfaces, they can naturally observe the surroundings. This not only transforms the bus into a flexible mobile advertising platform, but also offers information, entertainment and social media connectivity, enhancing the experience of modern and creative urban travel like never before.